guys, today we are replacing a 2010 Honda Civic blower motor, and this video is for any Honda Civic from 2006 to 2011. Very easy to do. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. And this is the new blower motor. There it is. And then so very easy to get to. So here's where it's at. So there's just this plastic piece that you just pull on, and there's 3 clips. One here, one here, one here, and they clip in right here, right there, and right there. And then there's these 2 rubber pieces that go in those holes right there, you can see. So there it is. And all you have to do is take out 3 screws. That one back there, one right here, and then undo that wiring harness. So I'm gonna do that and I'll update you. Alrighty, so I got 3 screws out, and all it does is drop right down. Just like that. That's the old one. Just dropped out, and then for this wiring harness, all you gotta do is push back on this clip and it pulls right out. Very simple. And then all you gotta do is slide up the new one in the same exact position, put the screws back in, plug in the wiring harness, and then pop that cover plate on, and then you're done. Alright, so I got the new one up in there, 3 screws tightened up. So all I'm gonna do is plug in this wiring harness here. Just like that, it should snap in. And then I'm gonna get the cover plate. And then, so you gotta put these rubber ends in those slots back there I showed you earlier. And then just push it up, and then push it toward the front of the car until you hear it snap in. You should hear all 3 of them snap, and then good to go to try it out. Thanks for watching.